the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and I'm here with another exclusive video. So we're right here at the intersection of Pecan Street and Arbor Street. This is a brand new commercial development that is happening. Was invited down here by ISSA Construction. They're the developers and the constructors for this development, you'd say. So the video itself, as you can see, we have 3 floors with a balcony area. I'll definitely show you a lot more in terms of the video, so you guys stay tuned. Without a doubt, we're gonna have some drone shots from above so you guys can see some aerial shots. Remember to like the video, remember to comment, remember to share, and if you're new, subscribe. Click the red icon, subscribe to the channel, and join Raymore Review. So thanks for clicking on this video. Let's take a tour of this brand new commercial development in downtown Kingston right here. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do firstly, we're gonna get a walk around with one of the site managers. It's gonna carry us around the property, highlight some areas, highlight the vision of ISSA Construction and what they're all about. They're big on safety, they're big on quality. So that's what we'll do first. So stay tuned while we hear some words from one of the site directors for ISSA Construction right here on this development. Again, downtown Kingston is where we at, the intersection of Pecan Street and Arbor Street. That's where we at today, so stay tuned for that.
Hi, welcome to the ISSA Construction project. Name is Ronaldo Hamilton, project manager for the Pecan Street ISSA Construction site. Directly behind me is a 2,400 square feet commercial building. We're presently in renovation process because it was an old building that was once used for a record factory plus housing persons within the community. So the building is designed to pay homage to our architectural design, where we're coming from, where we are, and where we're going. Directly in front of you, you see the brick finish. That is showing homage to our colonial era, where they use a lot of bricks for the construction. To your left, you'll see a white building with small windows. Not finished yet, but when finished, it will represent our traditional construction. So to your right, you see another white building. That building, if you notice, is designed with straight edges, large windows, large open span. Now that is where we're going, and that's a modern construction design. All right. A part of this construction is that ISSA is playing a major part in the downtown redevelopment initiative. I'm standing right now on Water Lane. If you look all the way up, it goes right up. The municipality is on a drive to get Water Lane to be fully pedestrian. So what's going to happen here, this will be a brick way and it only be used by pedestrian. To my left, more likely your right, we were going to redevelop this space to let it be a park and a green space. So once you come on and when this construction is finished, you will have an active green space and a lovely building to look on. I can tell you, it will be a spectacle. So we're now on the ground floor. What we have done thus far is that we have to ensure that the building is safe for construction, remove all elements that are not safe structurally. Myself and Kerry and Dawkins, another member of the management team, we have punched windows in the building to increase in lighting and ventilation. In construction, that's a major thing because that would help for you to save in many other ways, both by electricity and heating. Now we're going to proceed through to the other floors. So now we're on the second floor. Some person will consider it first floor, depending on where you are. You have British standard, different from American standard. It's a large open space, can be repurposed to whatever the client wants it to be. We have windows uncentered, and we have large windows on the other side. As I mentioned earlier, it's a column and beam structure, frame structure that is. And we are still in the wet work phase. We're still doing finishes, and we'll be finished on this project shortly. So let's go on the other floor. So we're now on the second floor. Larger windows, higher ceiling, massive open space, comfortable. The view is priceless. Let's go out on the entertainment area.
2, 3.
Well, as you go in it, you can see the different element of a frame structure, columns and beams. It's an easy way to see it on this large ceiling, wide open space. We have provision in place for an elevator. We have secured it, and that's another thing. ISSA Construction is big on safety. We are not going to run risk with our clients, our staff member, anyone, visitor, anything. Safety is first on any construction site. Welcome to our recreational area. The view, as I mentioned before, priceless. You can see some of the quality that we do right here. Finished quality. ISSA, we don't shortchange you on quality. Now, I mentioned to you earlier about quality. And this is, look at the quality. I know you can't touch it because of the YouTube, but if you could, if there's an app for this, you will be marveled of the finish that we do here. This is what we give our clients. Quality work. Space, shape, detail to finish. This, we will have this area be our entertainment space and our services on what will be your right, my left. I can touch this building. I am proud to be a member of the ISSA Construction team working on this building, because this building is designed to last years. My lifetime, your lifetime, your grandkids' lifetime. It was a pleasure having you guys here with Raymore YouTuber to highlight the ISSA Construction project, Pigeon Street, and the redevelopment of downtown. ISSA Construction will always ensure we give you high quality finish, attention to detail, project that will last a lifetime. My lifetime, your grandkids' lifetime. We will have more projects coming up. Look out for it. Like and share.
So there you have it, some words from one of the site managers here. So I'm now gonna just walk through the building again just to reiterate certain things and show you guys some more in terms of this development downtown. So stay tuned. So remember, so it's all about the development downtown Kingston. That's what ISSA is pushing. We have also Kerry over here, one of the site managers, busy on the work. Hey Kerry.
Hi.
Alrighty, so she's busy at work. It's all about ISSA Construction. We have the diagonal parking going in place, so that's what they're working on. So you'll be lots of parking space as well. There's also parking across the road, which you guys will see. This is the back end of the building, and you can see that final section at the top. So ISSA Construction on the move. Alright, so as I mentioned, additional parking right beside the building, so that's already finished, already fully completed. So this building right here was also developed by ISSA Construction. So as I did say, there are multiple projects that's happening downtown that ISSA is leading the charge on. Alright, so I know you guys wouldn't realize, but this is a public road. This is Water Lane that runs right here, and a part of the KSAC and ISSA Construction is to redevelop this area when they're finished. So they'll turn right here into, like, you know, a public park, lots of flowers, lots of landscaping. This roadway will be brick because what the Mayor of Kingston is doing for the entire Water Lane, which runs from right here at this intersection, it runs all the way down, and he wants to turn this entire lane into brick and also to paint the walls. I did a video on that, just highlighting the art district. I'll put the link for that video so you guys can see the vision of this lane, and this will be a part of it as well. There are certain sections on this lane that has paintings as well. So I'm currently standing on Water Lane, which runs in front of the project as well. So lots to come, guys, including the drone video, so you guys definitely stay tuned for that. Some of the workmen currently on the work. Yeah. All going, Chief? Everything good? Alright, so I'll go on that side here first. So it's a ISSA Construction. Yeah, man.
Just give God thanks for everything.
Yeah, man, for real. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. We have a next chief over here, so doing work. Alright, anything you want to the camera, Chief?
Yes, Mr. General. Respect for every time. I don't have work, yeah.
Yeah.
Corona time, I don't know.
Yeah, man. Alright, cool. Alright, so we are now on what is technically the first floor. You guys will see the other floor next, which has even much taller ceiling. I think what, 15 feet. And again, you have elevator at stairs at both end of the building, and also you'll have an elevator as well. So all that is being put into place. Again, lots of parking, which you guys would have already seen. Lots of windows. And you know, with ISSA, you know, speaking to one of the site manager, you know, they're really big on quality. That's one, and also safety as well. So they don't compromise with those things. So I really have to give a thumbs up to ISSA, because you know, a lot of developers may be a little bit timid, maybe a little bit scared to come downtown. And this is what we want more of, you know, in terms of development in Kingston and in Jamaica. Alright, guys, so we are now on the top floor, and as you can see, lots of ventilation, lots of windows to bring in some natural lighting, and I'm sure you'll be able to get some good views through these windows as well. Again, we have the Digicel building, one of the first companies to come downtown to start the redevelopment of downtown. So we have the Digicel building right there, very iconic building. And it's right on the waterfront. So this is where we are today. ISSA Construction, you know, leading the plight in terms of the redevelopment or the development of downtown Kingston. I know most times I do a video of New Kingston and other places, and everyone is saying, what about downtown? So ISSA has taken on the mantle. This is the shaft for the elevator. So you'll have elevator access. So this is one of the projects by ISSA. They have a lot of other projects right here in downtown. Just highlighting this one for you guys. So we're now on the recreational space. They'll have railing, they'll have artificial grass, different seating area, different chill spots. Yeah. It's a very good location as well, right at the intersection of Pecan Street and Arbor Street. Right there is the craft market, Kingston Craft Market. And as we know, that's waterfront down there. So superb location. And again guys, wait on the drone shots. My favorite part of every single video is the drone section. I don't know if it's the same thing for you guys, but that's the part I enjoy the most, to be honest. So you guys definitely wait on the drone video because it's coming. Alright, so the rooftop space will be L-shaped. So we have the side section and then you come around to this section. So central location, as you see, the property can use for basically anything. It can be repurposed for office, for a conference room, for a BPO call center, you name it. You know, that's what you can use it for. So remember to leave your comments, guys. Let me know what you think in terms of this commercial development by ISSA Construction. They're the developer and the contractor as well. And you know, as I said, this is not their only project, so they're really putting an effort in revitalizing downtown Kingston. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to share, and stay tuned for that drone video. Alright guys, so what can I say? You know, a lot of times we see in the comments where persons are saying, you know, why are all the developments in New Kingston? What about downtown? But today I was able to showcase to you guys this commercial development downtown by ISSA Construction. They reached out to me, invited me just to showcase them leading that charge into developing downtown as well. So remember to like, remember to leave your comments, remember to share, remember to subscribe. And if you guys have, you know, similar links, you know, if you guys know people and can create a linkage where I can go on their development, their property, to showcase the development in Jamaica, to highlight, you know, the progress of Jamaica, please definitely reach out as well. you.